Yo, you guys, it's Badger here, and today we are having a little package from AliExpress, which I've ordered for my little project. I wanted to get a little costume going for Loki, or to be Loki, and I was looking for a wig which would be not as expensive, because if you actually Google or search for Loki wigs, they are really expensive. And I found this for $5. There's your hairnet to make your wig fit quite well. Um, yeah, we'll try that in a sec. So we throw that to the side, and here's the wig. I'm not sure what to expect. The pictures look pretty good. Right now it looks a little messy or something, and there's some material. Let's get rid of that. Um, I'm a little confused what's happening. Well, inside looks quite white. Everything is layered and sewn. Seems like it's good. You can change the size. Now, oh my gosh, I got stuck. Oh my god, let go. Let go of me. Oh, jeez, can't. Can I rip it off? Okay, it's not working. Wait, what the? Oh man, oh, that's why it looks so messy. It seems like there's like this net or something, and that's what's actually stuck on my bracelet. Yeah, there we go. So I have to remove that probably. Then probably the hair looks better. Oh yeah. Okay, now we're talking. Okay, get it. Oh, that was my bad. So I'll throw that to the side. Just leave that on my bracelet, whatever. So don't get distracted. Here's the hair. As you can see, we got some nice texture. There's some crap. Let's get rid of that fabric. But yeah, it doesn't look too bad. Let's throw that on and check that out. So here we are. As you can see right now, the hair is not as straight as I want it to be, but you can, yeah, change that. You can actually do some stuff to the hair as well. Like you have a lot of hair going, so you can actually wear like ponytails and stuff. That's something you're looking for if you don't want to go for Loki and just looking for longer hair here. You can pull it to the back. It's gonna be staying there. Just in general, it doesn't look bad at all, especially for $5. You can't complain here at all. So that's gonna be it, you guys.